What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a video about how to get a pre-made online dropshipping boutique store for your business. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I do mamapreneur videos, how to make money online while dealing with the newborn. My baby is right over there, but yeah. So let's get right into it. So if you guys want like a online dropshipping boutique store, say you're not good at making one, or you don't know what to do, how to do your website, you can go to my site, angelswhohustle.com. I'm gonna go ahead and start a screen recording so you guys can see what I'm talking about. 3, 2, 1, okay. So this is my website, angelswhohustle.com. If you want 10% off your order of anything on my site, as far as like websites or anything else, all you have to do is click the black button that says get 10% off, and you'll get sent a discount code by text. So I do a lot. This is my website. I'm going to exit that out. As you can see, this is everything I have to offer. Melody, are you trying to talk while I'm recording, girl? What's up? So this is everything that I do have to offer. So you'll click web design if you want a online dropshipping boutique, and I'll show you guys some of the sites I have. Now I do have pre-made stores. As you can see, I have a women's clothing boutique, and then I have a fitness women's store. Now I do build custom stores as well. If you need like a custom store that's not drop shipping, you can check that out as well. This is what I have. These are the prices in red. They are on sale, and then you get a discount on top of that if you type in the discount code that gets text to your phone. I'm trying to hurry up before she start up. Oh, okay, getting nervous. So let's see. This is a site I built. It's called Bad Girl City. So it's $99. There's no shipping fee or anything. So pretty much you'll click, Jesus Christ. You'll click the link right here. It says view example store down below. Come on now, can you not? So you'll click the link and it'll take you to a direct link of the store that I built, and then you have to enter the password to view it, and that password is in the description. So this is a store that I built. The vendor is AliExpress. This is what the store comes with as far as like a menu, and then it got also has a footer menu at the bottom. And then if you buy a website from me, it does come with my ambassador program. I'll show you guys that as well. So it comes with like ambassador program tab, and if you want to know how do you make sales with the online dropshipping boutique, it's with the ambassador program. That's how I made. Oh, girl, you just gonna spit up on me, Lord, y'all, hold on. So this is everything that the store comes with. You get my ambassador program for free. It's how you make sales, pretty much like influencer program, but ambassadors, because they have to buy something from your website in order to become ambassador. So this is one site I built. I'm going to show you guys another one. Let's see, let's go back. Okay. So this is that store, $99. And then if you want a fitness boutique, you know, I can make any store. I try to do it like fashion related, you know. You can let me know if you have any ideas. If you want to chat with me, you can go to my website and click that pink chat button in the right hand corner that says chat with us. I could barely talk. I'm trying to rush. Jesus Christ. Okay. So this is a fitness store I made. Yes, mama. It's called Elevate Journey. And let me click this link so you guys can see this website. And the password is what? BRIL. Wait, what? And then type in the password, BRIALT. And I snap with this store. Like, this fitness store is bomb. It comes with this couple of menu items at the top. As you can see, yes, I built this store. It is freaking nice, all of them. Yes, if you need pretty much a dropshipping boutique store, let me know. Yes, mama. If y'all have any questions down below, leave them. Like I said, you get a discount. I do make other stores too, if you need like a custom store. Just want to show you guys that I make these stores. Hold on. Oh, this one in a new tab. Okay, so pretty much if you don't want to like pay for inventory, don't have the money for inventory, don't have the money to start up an online boutique, you should try drop shipping. Pretty much drop shipping is when a customer places an order on your website, you place the order on your vendor site and your vendor ships that item to your customer. So drop shipping is like a low cost way to start a online boutique. You don't have to do it forever. You could start with drop shipping and then you could go to wholesale, you know, it's just like a cheaper way. But yeah, if you guys need help with any of that, let me know. And then this is how, hold on. And then if you want to know how to market your online boutique, I have other options as well. Yes, mama. It's called the Ambassador Program Script and Details. Pretty much you write ambassadors and ambassadors write you, and they pay you to be an ambassador. I created a program to make money for your stores to increase your sales. So this is $25 if you're interested in anything like that. Yeah. And then with the online boutique, what's included when you get a store from me? A fully designed Shopify store. I do it on Shopify. Main menu, footer menu, 3 slideshow pictures. You get a collection list with 4 products, free courses from the vendor that I use. You get my ambassador script and details as well, and the page will already be made for you once you purchase the store. And then yeah, I pretty much do the whole store for you. Usually takes about 3 to 5 business days to get to you. Depends on how fast you respond back to me. If we're like working on the store side by side. Yes, mama. Usually I have to transfer the store in your name. So the store is under me. I have stores under my name. Once you purchase that store, I'm going to send you an email and it'll be transferred to you. You have to, okay. You pretty much have to accept the invite once I send that email. So pretty much if y'all need a store, let me know. Like I said, you get a discount code, sign up with my website, angelswhohustle.com. I have other stuff on my website as well. Like I said, the Ambassador Program Script and Details. You can get the dropshipping store from me. If you have any questions, chat with me on my site. Like I said, there is a helpful dropshipping playlist down below in the description. Any link that you're looking for will be in the description. And this is the end of my video, I believe. As you can see, I got my baby. She's a little fussy. But yeah, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, guys. Comment down below if this video was helpful. Like I said, I have pre-made stores for you guys. If you have any other video ideas for me, leave that down below. And remember, I'm not a regular mom. I'm a cool mom, and you get in what you put in. Peace.